Good morning. We have some trouble going on. Bummer, dude. All right, here's what happens. So I hit for to brew. And it brews fine. That part's going okay. Still brewing. Still brewing. But I don't know if you remember yesterday when I brewed, a little water came out before the brew started. Well, that happened again today. And then when I pulled out the capsule thing, there was just a lot of water. And there's water underneath the machine. Hold on. So this is just after the one brew. So I don't know what's wrong. If anybody has ideas, I did buy this used on eBay. I did take a brush and I tried to clean gaskets, make sure everything was clean inside there. I'm sorry, I didn't have the microphone. I cleaned around the gaskets on the inside. And the only thing I'm wondering, this piece right here, hold on. See how it looks like it's a little far away? I don't know if that should be on tighter, but I'm guessing I'm going to have to take the body off and fix a gasket somewhere, or that maybe one of the tubes came loose. My guess is this is going to be an easy fix that we can do together. I hope. All right, if you have any advice,